Wow, what a day. Thanks for joining me. I'm having a well-earned cuppa. I have had them throughout the day because I do need them for inspiration. But it's been a very challenging day. Thanks for joining me. Day 5 of the large radio control model build, the RC Chariot, for my granddaughter Madison. I started off the day by biting the bullet and tidying up the alloy that I'd built for the Chariot. I've just realised that detailing isn't my strong point. I like to get things to work as good as I can, but the rest is just, well, it's not what I chose to do. But because of the fact that it's built for my granddaughter, I needed to sort it out and finish off some of the rough edges, and that's what I was doing up till lunchtime and when the post came. So a fruitful morning, quite a bit of progress on the Chariot. Things like fitting plastic tube to cover the threads on the back axle and using the hot glue gun to fill in any nooks and crannies that a youngster might get the finger trapped in while poking about. All very worthwhile, but hard to get motivation to actually do. The post came just as I was making lunch, and in it, in the post, along with 2 bills, was my servo, heavy duty, 25 kilo torque this servo produces, and it's very similar, if not identical, to the one I fitted to the radio control motorbike and sidecar outfit I built for my grandson Noah. So I knew it was theoretically possible, and the key to using servo for steering is to minimise, and I really mean minimise, any movement or play in holding the servo to the frame and in any joints. Every fraction of an inch lost in travel through sloppy linkages steals rotation and steering. So you'd think I'd be were a whiz at this after going through the process on the sidecar outfit, but this threw up some new challenges, and I was chasing small discrepancies throughout the day. I did get it to a point that it's usable, but only after stripping off all the plastics, so it was down to the bare chassis, and then I could see where I could drill the chassis to mount it. That's the servo. Mounting the servo close to the steering column was always going to be the solution. Rigidity is your best friend, and here I was again trying to beef it up. Holes drilled, bolts fitted, a test, and we see that further holes need to be drilled and bolts fitted, because having a lot of torque just accentuates any possible weakness in design. And sure enough, the weaknesses showed. I only want approximately 15 degrees of steering for safety. I don't want this flipping as it's turned when going in a straight line. So 15 degrees, copying the days of when we used to build road race bikes. 15 degrees was the chosen angle for the servo to push the steering. But those 15 degrees fought every inch of the way. It is satisfying when you complete a task, but this, well, I had to find some good soul music to keep me going. Loads of cups of tea, and then I got to shoot some stills and videos with my new camera, the Olympus OMD-E Mark I. So bear with me, there's more photos of stills and video than normal, but I dare say you'll either find them useful, interesting, or skip to the end. Spoiler alert, I did sort the steering out, and I'm quite happy that it now works with videos to show the progress. So the next stage will be to mount the plastic horse front quarter, bottom quarter that is, onto the frame, and then finish off mounting the rest of the horse to match in with the front lower quarter. Okay, that's about it for now. If it seems long-winded, then you should have been here. taking the linkage apart, rebuilding, repeat, 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 until I got to the bottom of any wasted travel. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Join me again soon for more progress on the large-scale radio control model Horse and Chariot for my granddaughter Madison. Thanks for watching.